Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be giving you top 5 reasons of why you need to buy the Poco M2 Pro device. So if you're looking to buy the Poco M2 Pro, then this video will be very much helpful for you all. Before buying the phone, you need to know more things about this device, definitely. So try to watch till end of the video to get to know what are the 5 main reasons which I would recommend in buying the Poco M2 Pro smartphone. So the first reason would be the main reason is that most of the people they are looking to buy the Poco M2 Pro is because of the price. The price of the Poco M2 Pro is pretty low for the battery capacity and the charging speed and this kind of performance level. So definitely that is a first advantage in terms of buying the Poco M2 Pro device. So that is my top first reason which I would highly recommend to buy the Poco M2 Pro because of the price. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and do check the links in description for the wallpapers what I'm using in all of my videos. As you can see right now the price is around 13,999. You can see this is the lowest variant, 4GB and 64GB variant. Definitely for the 14,000 you're getting very good mobile phone, which I'll be discussing right now in this video. So the first reason would be the price for me, definitely friends. And next is a battery. The phone has 5000 mAh of capacity battery, which is a very good and sufficient for the medium to heavy use for 1.5 days, and for normal usage easily you can use for the 2 days without any problem in this phone. So right now if you see the screen on time, right now I got 10 hours of screen on time, but this is with a normal usage and without SIM card, just by Wi-Fi connection. So even if you use the SIM card and 4G connection with a normal usage, you can easily get around 8 hours of screen on time in this smartphone. So definitely nowadays in this kind of generation we do need the pretty good battery backup phone with a minimum of 7 hours screen on time guaranteed. Then definitely friends, the Poco M2 Pro is the one phone which can actually comes into that mark. So as a person, my first priority every time would be on the battery only. So definitely after using the Poco M2 Pro for this couple of weeks, I found out that the battery is pretty good, and this should be another second reason to buy this Poco M2 Pro device. And third is that fast charging. So having higher battery capacity is not so great. Having faster charging which can actually get charged within less time is also another great thing about this smartphone. So definitely the phone can actually charge in within 70 minutes, which is also another great thing for the 5000 mAh of battery. So 70 minutes takes from starting from 0% to the 100%. So we will never keep our phone until the battery gets close to 0, but definitely if you are charging your phone from starting from 15% as an example, then it would take below 1 hour to charge your Poco M2 Pro. So definitely in terms of charging and battery, these are the another second and third reasons of buying the Poco M2 Pro device. So fourth reason would be the display. The display of the Poco M2 Pro is very good, and even there is a small only punch hole cutout instead of a dual punch hole cutout, which we have seen in the Poco X2 or Realme 6 Pro smartphones. So where they are dual punch hole cutouts, so instead of having two cameras, it's good to have the one camera only, as you can see. So few phones with the dual camera cutouts which looks not at all good. So definitely I still believe that one punch hole is good, which is in the middle or sideways, it doesn't matter, but at least the display is also very good, 6.6 inches, and for this price you are getting very big display, 6.6 inches, and very good performance as well. So as a fourth point, I did include the performance also, which has a Snapdragon 720G processor. So that is another good advantage. With the 14,000 you are getting, this is one of the cheapest 720G processor you can get for this price. So next is the fifth reason is the having a notification LED light in the Poco M2 Pro, and having the side mounted fingerprint scanner instead of back side. So definitely that is another advantage. So few phones they do have the backside fingerprint scanner, which is a kind of old method, but right now in the Poco M2 Pro you do have the LED notification light on the top, so which is quite missing nowadays in the most of the mobile phones, but still Poco they managed to keep the LED notification light on the top. So this is another advantage for this mobile. So overall friends, the fifth point would include all extra features like notification light and having the side mounted fingerprint scanner and having the IR blaster on the top. So these are other extra things which I would like to include as a fifth point in this phone. So overall friends, these are the 5 most important reasons of why I would prefer to buy the Poco M2 Pro, and why you should also think twice before buying this phone as well. So definitely I'll try to do another video where why 5 reasons not to buy this mobile as well. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also share my videos with your friends as well. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.